Welcome back to our channel. If you're a student eager to learn languages the perfect and easy way, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be sharing some proven strategies and tips that will help you become a language learning pro. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your skills, these methods will pave the way to language success. So, let's dive in. The first step to language success is setting clear goals. Define why you want to learn a particular language. Is it for travel, academic purposes, or personal enrichment? Having a clear purpose will keep you motivated and focused throughout your language learning journey.
Immersion is a powerful language learning tool. Surround yourself with the language you want to learn by watching movies, listening to music, or even changing your phone's language settings. Additionally, practice speaking regularly with native speakers or language exchange partners. This will enhance your fluency and boost your confidence. In this digital age, we're fortunate to have numerous online resources at our disposal. Utilize language learning apps, such as Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise, to reinforce your vocabulary and grammar skills. Online language courses and tutorials are also available, offering a structured learning experience. Flashcards are an effective tool for memorizing vocabulary. Create your own flashcards or use apps like Anki or Quizlet to practice regularly. Additionally, employ memory techniques like visualization, mnemonics, and association to retain new words and concepts more easily. Consistency is key to language learning success. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day to practice, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes. Regular practice will help you retain information and avoid forgetting what you've learned. Learn new words and phrases in context rather than isolated words. Read books, articles, or watch videos in the target language to understand how words are used naturally in sentences. This approach will improve your overall comprehension and language skills. Language and culture are closely intertwined. Immerse yourself in the culture of the language you're learning by exploring traditional food, music, holidays, and customs. Understanding cultural nuances will not only make you a better communicator but also enrich your overall language learning experience. Tracking your progress is essential to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use language learning apps that provide progress reports or maintain a journal to note down new words, phrases, and achievements. Celebrate your milestones. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive guide on mastering languages the perfect and easy way as a student. Remember to set clear goals, immerse yourself in the language, utilize online resources, and practice consistently. Embrace the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Language learning is a journey filled with growth and discovery. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to share your language learning experiences, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy language learning!